Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in printing binary tree levels in sorted order. First, let us take an example. The approach is to start level order traversal of the tree. Then we store all in a set. Then we print the elements of the set. Now let us have a look at the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 7, to function sorted level order. So root will point to 7. We will be using a queue data structure and a set. We push the root node along with a null pointer into the queue. As the queue is not empty, we enter the while loop and node temp will point to queue's front. Next, we pop 7 from the queue. We check if temp is null. As it is false, we go to the else part and insert temp, which is 7, into the set. Next, we insert the left and right children of temp into the queue. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty. Now, temp will point to null and null pointer will be dequeued. As temp is pointing to null, the if statement is satisfied and we check if the set is empty. As it is false, we print the elements of the set, which is 7. Next, we add a null pointer to the queue and clear the elements of the set. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty. Now, temp will point to 16 and 16 will be dequeued. As temp is not null, we go to the else part and insert the left and right children of 16, which are 4 and 13, into the queue. Also, we insert 16 into the set. We continue with the while loop. Now, temp will point to 1 and 1 will be dequeued. We go to the else part and insert 1 into the set. Note, in a set, elements are stored in a sorted order. So, 1 will come before 16. As the left and right children of 1 does not exist, nothing is enqueued and we continue with the while loop. Now, temp will point to null and null will be dequeued. As temp is pointing to null, we check if set is empty. As it is false, we print the elements of the set. Next, we insert a null pointer into the queue and clear the contents of the set. We continue with the while loop and now temp will point to 4 and 4 will be dequeued. We insert 4 into the set and as the left and right of 4 are null, nothing is enqueued. Next, temp will point to 13 and 13 will be dequeued and inserted into the set. Then, temp will point to null pointer and it will be dequeued. As temp is null, we print the contents of the set and push a null pointer into the queue. We clear the contents of the set. Now, temp will point to null and it will be dequeued. As temp is null and s is empty, we break out of the while loop and we have the final output. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.